Hey you guys, this is Makeupbycawansa. I came in to do this gorgeous look featuring the Juvia's Place Nubian Royal. Yeah, you guys, I told you I was gonna do an upload this Friday, so I came in to do this upload with this palette. I was supposed to use the brown palette, but I didn't need to use it. So first of all, you guys, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Y'all go ahead and hit the notification bell for every time I upload, so you guys to be the first to know when I upload. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is like and share this video. It will be a sped up video. Now you guys, y'all let me know if y'all like sped up videos or longer videos, because I've been seeing people doing long videos, so I don't know if my audience like those kind of videos. So you guys let me know if you guys like those kind of videos. Kind of back up so you guys can see me a little bit better. I got my grandbabies in my neck. Yeah, so you guys, this is featuring Juvia's Place. I did use their new primer, their primers that I recently purchased, and I purchased everything with my own money. I'll let you guys know if any one of my videos are sponsored. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Remember to walk in love, because Jesus is love, and if you love Jesus, you're definitely walking in love too. See you guys later. Y'all be blessed. Mwah.